Describing algebraic expressions. In this example, taken from the OpenStax textbook, we're asked to list the constants and variables for each of these algebraic expressions. We will keep in mind that constants always have the same values. So for example, 6 is always 6. And then for variables, we can think of those as placeholders that can take on different values depending on the situation, and we typically use letters to represent variables. So starting with A, we have x plus 5. Looking for constants in this expression, we're looking for numbers that always have the same value, and this expression has one constant, 5. And for variables, we're looking for letters that can take on different values, and we do have the variable x. So one constant, one variable. For B, our expression is 4/3 pi r cubed. Constants that have the same value. Of course, 4/3 will always be 4/3, but also pi. Even though pi doesn't look like a normal number, remember that pi just represents the number 3.1415 and so on. So pi always has the same value. It is also a constant. Then for variables, we do have this r. R is the only variable. And if you're noticing that cube on the r, that is not a constant or a variable. That would just be an operation. That's telling you that 3 r's are being multiplied together. And then for C, we have this square root. Underneath the square root, 2 m to the 3rd power, n to the 2nd power. The 2 is our only constant. But for variables, we have both m and n. Those exponents are not constants or variables, and certainly the radical is not a constant or a variable. Those are all operations.